In this tutorial, we'll review the various menu options available on the touch panel to control your presentation within a physical classroom. The touch panel provides a variety of options to improve and adapt your presentation. When you first turn a touch panel on, you will see only three menu options on the right side of the display: blank screen, volume, and Start VC. If you want to mute the projector in the room so it doesn't appear on the classroom wall, press the blank screen button. Whatever the projector was showing will no longer appear on the screen. A quick note: keep in mind that if you're sharing content via Zoom, pressing the blank screen button doesn't mute whatever it is you're sharing. You won't see it on the projector screen, but your participants will still see it in the Zoom meeting. As we reviewed in another tutorial video, the Start VC button allows you to connect your classroom to a Zoom meeting. Tapping on it, however, also displays additional touch panel options, including dial control, cameras, and displays. At the top of the right side, you have the volume option. When you tap the volume button, the volume menu appears on the right side of the display. The menu provides you with two main options: turning off the microphones above the student tables and adjusting the volume controls going in and out of the room. The volume controls allow you to increase or decrease the volume you hear in the room from your Zoom participants, increase or decrease the volume your Zoom participants hear from you, and increase or decrease the volume from videos you share to Zoom participants. The microphone and volume settings in the room have been set at a level that should be appropriate for your class's needs, but should you find it necessary, simply tap on the up or down icons to increase or decrease the volume. Tap the X to exit the volume menu. The dial control option was reviewed in an earlier video tutorial. Use the dial control to connect the classroom to a Zoom meeting. Tap Exit to close the dial control menu. The camera menu provides you with a few different options. On the left, you have the instructor and student buttons. These control which camera in the room is being used to send video to the Zoom meeting. If the instructor option is highlighted, that means the camera from the far side of the room is selected, highlighting the podium and the front of the classroom. If instead you choose the student option, the camera on the near side of the room will be displayed, highlighting the chairs and tables in the classroom. You will also see the pan and zoom buttons. These allow you to pan the selected camera up, down, right, and left, as well as zoom in and out. Tap Exit to close the camera menu. Finally, we have the display icon. When tapped, the display menu appears off to the right. The first options you'll find at the top allow you to turn off the main display. This is similar to using the blank screen button, but will completely turn off the projector as opposed to just muting it. Below that, you have the Picture-in-Picture button. Generally, when you begin sharing content, the projector will start projecting your content onto the screen in the classroom. If Picture-in-Picture is on, the projector will also include a small window at the bottom that displays your Zoom meeting participants in addition to the content you're sharing. The last few buttons relate to the rear LCD monitor in the classroom. You can control whether the monitor is on or off and what content it displays. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you select the Showing Far button, you will see the Zoom participants on the rear LCD monitor. If you tap the Show Content button, you will instead see the content you are sharing on the rear LCD monitor. Tap the X to exit the display menu. If you have questions on this or any other topic, feel free to reach out to us using the phone number or email address listed on the screen.